Japanese Headstart Program, Module 8, Prices, Side 4. Part 6, Self-Evaluation Quiz, Section 1. You will hear 10 situations. Respond to each in Japanese. After you respond, the correct answer will be heard on the tape. On a separate piece of paper, keep track of which items you miss and which you answer correctly. 1. You want to get the attention of a clerk. You say,
すみません。
2. You want to know how much this item costs. You say,
これいくらですか？
3. You want to know how much 3 of that item costs. You say,
それ3つでいくらですか？
4. You have said to the clerk,
これいくらですか？
and the clerk asks,
何ですか？
You answer by saying,
これいくらですか？
5. You have decided to buy one of those. You say,
それ一つください。
6. The clerk has not understood and says,
どれですか？
You tell him, It's this one. You say,
これです。
7. The clerk asks,
これですか？
You want to answer, No, it's that one. You say,
いいえ、それです。
8. You want to know how much that one over there is. You say,
あれいくらですか？
9. The clerk has thanked you after you made the purchase. You say,
どうも。
10. You have asked about several prices in a store, but decide not to buy anything. As you leave the store, you say,
どうも。
Section 2. You will hear 20 sentences in Japanese. Select the correct English equivalent for each from the 3 choices provided, and write A, B, or C on a separate piece of paper. After you finish this section, check your answers with the key. 1.
120円です。
2.
750円です。
3.
460円です。
4.
370円です。
5.
3600円です。
6.
2900円です。
7.
4800円です。
8.
1200円です。
9.
58200円です。
10.
67300円です。
11.
13500円です。
12. 12.
36,800円です。
13.
25,400円です。
14.
2つで200円です。
15.
3つで400円です。
16.
何ですか？
17.
あれですか？
18.
どうもありがとうございました。
19.
どれですか
20.
これですね。
This is the end of Part 6 Self-Evaluation Quiz. Now turn off the recorder and score your quiz. Part 8 Supplementary Self-Evaluation Quiz, Section 1. You will hear 8 situations. Respond to each in Japanese. After you respond, the correct answer will be heard on the tape. 1. You want to get the attention of the sales clerk. You say,
すみません。
2. You want to know how much that item cost. You say,
それいくらですか？
3. You want to know how much 2 of this item costs. You say,
これ2つでいくらですか？
4. You have told the clerk.
1つください。
The clerk asks.
何ですか？
You say,
1つください。
5. The clerk asks.
それですか？
You want to answer, no, it's this one. You say,
いいえ、これです。
6. You have looked at several items in a store, but have decided not to buy anything. As you leave the store, you say,
どうも。
7. You tell the clerk that you will take 2 of these. You say,
これ2つください。
8. After you pay, the clerk thanks you. Then you say,
どうも。
Section 2. You will hear a conversation between an American and a sales clerk in a store. On a separate piece of paper, translate the entire conversation into English, stopping the tape whenever you need to. When you have finished, check your translation with the key.
すみません。
はい。
これいくらですか？
何ですか？
これいくらですか？
25,000円です。
これ一つください。
はい、どうもありがとうございました。
どうも。
This is the end of Part 8 Supplementary Self-Evaluation Quiz. Part 9 Additional Vocabulary. Here is a short list of words and phrases that can be used in the situations covered in this module. You will not be tested on these new words. To show you how they are used, example sentences have been provided. Both the words and the sentences are on the tape to help you with the pronunciation and to give you practice listening to them.
みんなで、
All together.
みんなで。みんなでいくらですか？
How much is it all together?
みんなでいくらですか？ドル、
Dollar.
ドル。今日ドルいくらですか？
How much is the dollar today?
今日ドルいくらですか？お釣り、
Change.
お釣り。お釣りです。
Here's the change.
お釣りです。すみません、もう一度言ってください。
Excuse me, please say that again.
すみません、もう一度言ってください。いくつ、
How many?
いくつ、いくついりますか？
How many do you want?
いくついりますか？
The numbers from 4 through 10, which are used like
一つ、二つ、
and,
三つ、
are,
四つ、
4,
四つ、五つ、
5,
五つ、六つ、
6,
六つ、七つ、
7,
七つ、八つ、
8,
八つ、九つ、
9,
九つ、と、
10.
と。
This is the end of Part 9, Additional Vocabulary. This is the end of Module 8, Side 4.